Hi there, I'm Mark Teacher, and welcome to another weekend worksheet. This worksheet is about IELTS Speaking Part 1. Specifically, it's about describing your feelings. A lot of IELTS Part 1 questions ask you to talk about topics, objects, and things in your house. This is a way to talk about how things make you feel, what useful objects give you, what food and drink makes you feel, and how hobbies keep you healthy or keep you in shape. The 4 verbs you can see in the middle are called causative verbs. Causative verbs are verbs that show how an action or an agent affects you and changes the way you feel. Today we're going to study 4 useful causative verbs you can use in your IELTS speaking test. First, we have to figure out the rules. Let's discover the rules together. Drinking lots of coffee gives me a headache. Now, with certain causative verbs, we need certain objects. The objects can be one of 3 things: a noun, an adjective, or a verb. This sentence A is correct. Headache. Drinking lots of coffee gives me a headache. Is that a noun, an adjective, or a verb? Well done if you said headache is a noun. It is a noun. So gives me is followed by a noun. Drinking coffee gives me a headache. Maybe drinking too much beer or wine also gives me a headache. Practicing English gives me an opportunity to meet people from different countries. Gives me an opportunity. Opportunity is a noun, so we can use gives me. Sentence B. Listening to music helps me focus on my work. Helps me. Focus on my work. Focus. Is that a noun, an adjective, or a verb? Well done if you said verb. Focus is a verb. It helps me focus. Doing exercise helps me stay fit. Or reading about history helps me learn about the past. So helps me and then a verb. Sentence C. This has 2 options. Reading makes me sleepy. Or reading makes me fall asleep. Makes me sleepy. What kind of word is sleepy? Is that a noun, an adjective, or a verb? Well done if you said adjective. Sleepy is an adjective. It makes me sleepy. Eating raw meat makes me sick. It's an adjective. Or listening to my favourite music makes me happy. What kind of word is fall? Noun, adjective, verb? It's a verb. So makes me has 2 options. It makes me sleepy, an adjective, or it makes me fall asleep, a verb. You could say, hearing pop music makes me angry, and listening to pop music, hearing pop music, makes me feel angry. They're both correct. Sentence D. Exercising keeps me fit and healthy. Fit and healthy. What kind of word is fit? Noun, adjective, verb? It's an adjective. What kind of word is healthy? It's an adjective too. So keeps me followed by an adjective. Keeps me healthy. Keeps me fit. I could say, listening to music keeps me focused. Focused is the adjective. So that's the rule. Gives me a noun. Helps me verb. Makes me adjective or verb. And keeps me adjective. So, now you know the rules. Let's look at some examples. Are these sentences correct or wrong? The rules are at the top of the screen to help you remember. Number 1. Yoga makes me a clear head. Yoga makes me a clear head. Look at the ending. A clear head. So, a clear head. That's a noun. Can I use makes me with a noun? No, I can't. So makes me is incorrect. So what can I do instead? I should say gives me. That would be correct. It gives me a clear head. I could also use a different causative verb and create a different ending. Maybe yoga helps me clear my head. Clear is a verb, so I can use helps me. Okay, sentence 2. Getting stuck in traffic gives me angry. What kind of word is angry? A noun, an adjective, or a verb? Obviously, it's an adjective, so gives me adjective. That's not right. What should I say instead? I should probably use makes me. Makes me is the best choice because makes means it changes the way I feel. Even though keeps is followed by an adjective, I wouldn't say it keeps me angry. Keeps means I'm always angry. And I'm not the Hulk. I'm not always angry. So getting stuff in traffic changes my mood, changes how I feel. So makes is the best choice here. Another adjective I could use is getting stuck in traffic makes me late. Okay, the final one, number 3. Napping helps me unwind. Napping is taking a short sleep, 5, 10, 15 minutes. Napping helps me unwind. Look at the object. What kind of word is unwind? Right, it's a verb. So helps me, verb. Helps me, verb. This sentence is correct. So, well done if you knew that was right. Let's move on. Here are 3 more sentences. Doing yoga helps me relax. Doing yoga helps me relax. Look at relax. Is that a noun, an adjective, or a verb? That one is a verb. So, helps me, verb. Yes, it's correct. Good. What could I say if I wanted to say relaxed? Relaxed. Doing yoga, me relaxed. What kind of word is relaxed? Well done if you said adjective. So if it's an adjective, we can say makes me and keeps me. If you are usually relaxed, and you want to stay relaxed, it keeps me relaxed. Sentence 5. Cycling to work makes me in good shape. Makes me in good shape. So, in good shape. Do we have to change this one? I would change makes. Even though good shape is an adjective, makes me in good shape is not the right verb to use. I would use this phrase with keeps me in good shape. Again, because in shape is a place you are now and want to stay. I'm not changing the way I look, and I'm not changing the appearance of my body or my fitness levels. I'm keeping them there. I am in shape, and I want to stay in shape, so it keeps me in good shape. Number 6. Drinking too much coffee makes me a headache. Maybe you can see this one in the rules. What kind of word is headache? It's a noun. So can I say makes me a headache? Makes me adjective, makes me verb? No. So what should I change it to? Gives me. Because gives me is followed by a noun. Drinking too much coffee gives me a headache. 3 new sentences. Number 7. My winter jacket helps me stay warm in cold weather. My winter jacket helps me stay warm in cold weather. Look at the word stay. Is that a noun, an adjective, or a verb? Well done if you said verb. So, helps me verb? Yeah, helps me stay. My winter jacket helps me stay warm in cold weather. A bonus question here. What if I said warm? My winter jacket me warm. Warm is an adjective, so in this case my natural reaction is keeps me. I want to be warm, I want to stay warm, so it keeps me warm. Question 8. Shopping makes me so tired. So tired. What kind of word is that? It's an adjective. So, makes me so tired? Yes, that's correct. Shopping makes me so tired. Another example. Shopping makes me so tired. Shopping makes my feet hurt, I could say. In this case, hurt is actually the verb. They hurt. My feet hurt. So, even though it's a verb, I can use makes. I can use makes my feet. Okay. What about you? Your turn. We've practiced the rules a lot, and I think you're ready to create your own sentences. Here are 3 agents or actions. How do they make you feel? How do they affect your feelings? Studying English, listening to music, spending time with my family. Write your answers to these 3 sentences in the comments below, and I will respond to every attempt. I will make corrections if there are any mistakes. If you want more activities just like this. You can find the full worksheet just about feelings. I think it's 7 or 8 pages long, full of activities. You can find them on my TPT store. The link is here, and the link is also in the description below. If you have any questions about this worksheet, please send me a message and I'll reply as soon as I can. And thank you very much for watching. I will see you next time for another weekend worksheet. Take care.